If you've accidentally hidden an app on your Samsung Galaxy phone or simply want to make a hidden app visible again, Samsung's One UI interface makes the process quick and straightforward. Follow this guide to unhide apps on your device. Go to the Settings menu. You can do this by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon in the Quick Settings panel. Alternatively, swipe up from the home screen to open the app drawer, tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner, and choose Settings. Next, scroll down and select Home Screen. This section contains customization options related to your phone's layout, app visibility, and screen organization. Now scrolling and tapping Hide Apps on Home and Apps screens. Here, Samsung displays all apps that are currently hidden from both the home screen and the app drawer. At the top of the screen, you will see the Hidden Apps section. Locate the app you want to restore. To unhide it, simply tap the minus icon displayed on the app icon. Once removed from the hidden list, the application becomes visible again. After selecting the desired app, tap Done at the bottom of the screen to save your changes. The app will instantly reappear in your app drawer and can also be added back to your home screen if needed. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful Samsung Galaxy tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.